Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow is engineered for builders who demand both performance and style. Designed around two critical PC case metrics, airflow and acoustics, this modern mid-tower delivers exceptional cooling while maintaining impressively low noise levels. Its perforated high airflow front and top panels look premium, enhance ventilation, and work seamlessly with the three included 120mm intake fans to keep temperatures remarkably low, even under load. Crafted with NZXT's signature attention to detail, the H7 Flow offers a sturdy, high-quality chassis with clean lines and a tempered glass side panel that showcases your components. Cable routing channels and Velcro straps make it easy to create a tidy, professional-looking build without extra effort. Whether you're air cooling or installing large radiators, this case is fully liquid cooling ready with 7 total fan mounting points. Designed for modern hardware, the spacious interior supports GPUs up to 410mm long, CPU coolers up to 185mm tall, and full-size ATX power supplies up to 270mm. Storage options include two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch internal bays, giving you flexible room for expansion. Front I/O includes dual USB-A, USB-C, and HD audio for convenient, high-speed connectivity. With exceptional thermals, excellent build quality, and a sleek minimalist aesthetic, the NZXT H7 Flow stands out as a top mid-tower choice for builders in 2024. Whether you're assembling a high-end gaming rig or a quiet workstation, this case provides outstanding value and performance. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 redefines what a PC case can be by turning the build itself into a hands-on DIY project. Designed with an innovative modular structure, it arrives flat-packed, letting you assemble it piece by piece, IKEA-style, for a uniquely satisfying experience before you even install a single component. This makes it an excellent choice not only for PC enthusiasts, but also for families or first-time builders looking for a fun and memorable project. Don't let its playful nature fool you. Once assembled, the Qube 500 becomes a sturdy, compact chassis that supports full-size ATX motherboards and standard ATX power supplies. Its clever design provides ample room for powerful hardware, including GPUs up to 368mm and CPU coolers up to 175mm. With 4 internal 3.5-inch bays and 3 2.5-inch bays, you get impressive storage flexibility for a case of its size. Customization is a key part of the Qube 500's charm. Swappable face panels let you refresh the look anytime, while the tempered glass side window beautifully showcases your components. The front I/O panel is fully modern, offering USB-C, dual USB-A, and HD audio for convenient access. Cooling options include 3 fan mounting points and one included 120mm fan, providing a solid foundation for efficient airflow. Lightweight at just 17 pounds and compact in size, the Qube 500 delivers outstanding value, personality, and performance all wrapped into one charming DIY-friendly package. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 proves that compact cases don't have to compromise on performance or style. Slightly larger than the average micro ATX chassis, this clever upsizing gives builders significantly better hardware compatibility and cooling potential without sacrificing the small footprint appeal that micro ATX fans love. With its clean lines, refined materials, and InWin's signature modern aesthetic, the A3 is a standout choice for anyone wanting a sleek, space-saving build that still packs a punch. Designed for serious PC builders who recognize the value of micro ATX motherboards, the A3 offers exceptional airflow and thermal performance for its size. 5 total fan mounting points and one included addressable RGB fan give you a strong foundation for creating a cool, quiet, and visually striking system. The tempered glass side panel highlights your components, letting your build shine from any angle. Despite its compact profile, the A3 doesn't shy away from full-size hardware. With support for GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm, this case provides impressive flexibility. Storage options include two 3.5-inch and three 2.5-inch internal bays, ensuring ample room for both SSDs and hard drives. Convenient front I/O includes USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, dual USB-A, and HD audio for fast, modern connectivity. Lightweight at just 11.6 pounds and built with and wins high-quality craftsmanship, the A3 is ideal for performance-minded builders seeking a compact yet capable micro-ATX solution. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270RG ARGB is proof that you don't need to spend big to get premium case features. This stylish mid-tower delivers outstanding value, earning an Editor's Choice Award thanks to its modern design, impressive cooling capabilities, and feature set typically found in cases far above the $100 range. Available in bold pistachio green, crisp white, or striking hydrangea blue, it's a head-turner that adds personality to any gaming setup. With wraparound tempered glass panels, the View 270RG lets you fully showcase your components while maintaining a clean, high-end look. 3 included ARGB fans provide brilliant lighting and strong airflow right out of the box, while support for up to 6 fan positions ensures excellent thermal performance. Every intake and exhaust location includes dust filters, keeping your build cleaner for longer. Hardware compatibility is another strong suit. Supporting ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, this case is ready for everything from budget gaming rigs to high-performance builds. It accommodates GPUs up to a massive 428mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm tall, along with two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch storage bays. The bottom-mounted ATX PSU bay supports power supplies up to 280mm in length. The front I/O panel offers modern connectivity with USB-C, dual USB-A, and HD audio for easy access. Lightweight yet sturdy at 14 pounds, the View 270RG ARGB delivers premium looks, robust airflow, and unbeatable value, freeing up more of your budget for the components that matter most. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. The Lian Li DAN A3-mATX is the result of a standout collaboration with renowned German small form factor specialist DAN Cases, bringing together elegant engineering, smart space usage, and impressive hardware compatibility. Designed as the Goldilocks Micro ATX case, it strikes the perfect balance between compact footprint and build flexibility. It's not ultra-small, yet far from bulky, making it an ideal choice for most PC builders in 2024. Its feature set, build quality, and overall value helped it earn an Editor's Choice Award. Engineered for practical builders, the A3-mATX prioritizes function over flash. While a tempered glass side panel is available as an optional accessory, the case performs best with the solid panel installed, emphasizing clean airflow and efficient cooling. With support for GPUs up to 425mm long, CPU coolers up to 165mm tall, and multiple PSU form factors, including ATX, SFX, and SFXL, you get uncommon flexibility for a case of its size. Inside, the chassis offers one 3.5-inch and three 2.5-inch drive bays, along with 4 total fan mounting points to deliver strong thermal performance. Front I/O includes USB-C, dual USB-A, and HD audio for modern, convenient connectivity. Despite its lightweight 10.8-pound frame, the A3-mATX is solidly built and ready for high-performance components. Whether you're assembling a compact workstation or a modest gaming rig, this case delivers exceptional value and thoughtful design from 2 trusted names in PC hardware.